One of the major challenges we faced in trying to understand the impact of mesoeconomic vectors was to be able to characterize the market space that the firms are operating in. Conventional market segmentation is proving less and less effective and useful in terms of describing the areas in which firms operate. An example of this would be the change in boundaries encountered by firms like Airbnb or Uber, or in the media and telecom space. New emerging technology firms straddle a number of market spaces or market segments which would traditionally have been defined as market segments. But we now need a new way of looking at how market spaces are defined. And so we have created the idea of market spaces which replace conventional market segments in order to understand the effect of this vector. Using these market spaces, we have also defined market space-centric value chains, which enable the processes involved in how those firms go to market to be explicitly mapped and described. This approach to segmenting the market has led us to define 12 market spaces, some of which overlap existing market segments, but the way we've defined them is we want to make clear that they can cover a wider set of issues. The 12 market spaces that we define are aerospace engineering, automotive engineering, oil and gas engineering. So there are three engineering-centric market spaces. We then define some new spaces around biotechnology and healthcare, and software, services and algorithms. The first three cover media and entertainment, telecommunications, software systems and algorithms. So the second set cover aerospace engineering, automotive engineering and oil and gas engineering. We have separate market spaces covering electronics and hardware and energy and lighting. We then have two market spaces in the overall life sciences area covering biotechnology, which covers red, white and green bio, and healthcare products and services. And finally, we have education, skills, training, which covers the learning area.